Will you take a picture from this point and try and get us and other people?
Well, I got your attention too. One thing I forgot, I totally forgot, but one thing we need to start doing is flood the sports radio talk shows, because you know what, they pretty much ignored us in organizing this. And so I want you guys calling into all the shows and saying, hey, why aren't you guys covering the fans doing a Save Our Bolts effort?
Because they're fair weather.
Yeah, so, you know, hit them up on Twitter, hit them, call in when they have call-ins. Even if they don't put you on the air, even if they ignore you, they're going to hear. You want the call screeners to even know that that you got a voice out there. So keep after them. Eventually, they'll crack and they'll start, you know, because they want to just talk about the game, but it's too important right now. So seriously,
I'm always on there. I'm always on 1090.
Yeah, we are. Well, there's.
I'm on 1090 almost every night talking to John Cantera, making him again.
Bro, you're leaving the crowd, bro. You're our cheerleader. Boom.
Yeah.
Let's go. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, let's get up front. Yeah, come on.
Yeah, because he's so tall.
Oh, thank you.
I'm trying to get my footing because he's so stuck on my toes.
Oh, thank you.
One of my toes is infected. Yeah. One of my toes is infected. He's all moving back and forth. Yeah.
Okay.
What do you think I'm gonna watch? I mean,
You want me holding the other end of yours? Are you good?
talking to me.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it would.
Now look at it.
Oh, yeah. Can you hold it from the very bottom, though? Yeah, because there's some... Yeah, that's good. Yeah, there was a little bit of writing on it. Okay. I could get it.
We're going to go to the Super Bowl, okay, and we will. When we go, we have to have a dance. I'm sorry. That's right. Our dance is called the swoopulation. Swoopulation is different for everybody. Okay? You know, I'm a good old boy. This is my swoopulation. Okay? You know, some of the younger folks, you know, they're doing this stuff, all right? And I'm going to tell the old folks like me, watch out, you start out tapping your foot, the next thing you know, your booty's moving. That's your swoopulation. There's no two same ones. That is what you feel. That is your expression for our team. And that's what we're going to have to do in this city. When we see another Charger fan express that love, how do we do it? Swoop, swoop. Right? Swoop, swoop.
All right.
That acknowledges that we're one people. We'll fight for the same thing. All right, so let's show that love. And that's really what it is.
Help me on a...
All right, Bolts fans.
Okay, we're done.
Just on the corner. Yeah, just the very corner. Yeah, that's good. Thank you. Yeah.
Let's go, Chargers! 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 Save our boat! 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 Save
They'll let us know. Absolutely.
Okay, yeah, everybody's in tune.
All them years of seeing.
They're coming in handy.
He's getting warmed up for next season right now. Come on, Charger fans. Get in there, baby. Come on.
Maybe you guys should get in.